Hi guys, this is Mick from Creative Dip It. Got a new flame skull head pattern. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you today how to dip like two. But what we're going to do, we're going to do two colours. And what I want to do is show you how much difference just by the background colour can make the transfer look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay the transfer down now in the water and we'll get ready. All I'm doing there is just I'm taking a few bubbles out. You need to sit for about 60 seconds on the water. And what you can do is take some of the creases out. And what you can do is, with the patterns here, I know for you guys it's really difficult to see this, excuse my hand. So what I'm going to do is, you can see some of the devil heads. What they look like to me. So what we're going to do is try and pick our points when we're going in to try and always try and visualise what it look like. Don't just go in, dip it in the middle. Try and pick the pattern as much as you can. Again, this is a new one to us. It's laying down really nice, sitting really good. So what I'm going to do is adjust the camera again, ready for dipping. So 60 seconds is almost up. Got a bit of a gap down size, going to expand, but what we can try and do is contain it as much, keep the pattern. It's a nice pattern. I've got all different sizes of these for different patterns, but these are perfect for doing the dipping. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop on the activator. As you can see, that's expanding nicely. Turn up and check. So we've got the white and the silver. So I've got the white and the silver. So what I'm going to do now is try and pick. So I've got a good pattern there, and I've got a good pattern there, and that's where I'm going to go. I'm going to go with them like so. And again, as I always do, show you straight away. So you get a slight difference in colour. You can see in the faces, if I can show you with the silver. But that is one awesome pattern. Look at that. That looks fantastic on a tank, wheels, absolutely anything. That is awesome. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put them in the rinser and rinse them off. Okay? And that's Mick from Creative Dip It.